Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a straight line without using a scale. Let's see. For this you will need a paper, which could be any type of paper. You could also use this technique on a cardboard. A pencil obviously to draw. You can do it with a sketch pen. And the third and the most important thing that you need is a straight edge. The edge could be of a table. Normally we work on a table, so we use the edge of a table. We could also use the edge of an exam board like this, an exam pad which has a straight edge. This technique can also be done using the straight edges of a wall. So first let's find out how to do it on a table. You align the edge of this paper to the edge of the table like this, and you hold your pencil or pen in this way, where I am using my index finger and holding it like this, and the thumb should be like this here, supporting the pen or the pencil so that it doesn't move. It has to stay steady. Now what I do is simply decide a width. The movement of my index finger will decide the width of my border. We normally use this technique for drawing borders. Observe very carefully. I will just slide my finger over the edge of the table. Once again, this is around a 1 centimeter thick border. I can change the thickness of the border by turning my index finger ahead or behind. I will try for a 0.5 centimeter border now. Here. So all that is happening is that my finger slides over the edge of the table, and that is my guideline to make the straight line. You see? Here. Let me also show this technique to you using a pad. And I am using a sketch pen and a cardboard sheet to do it. While doing this, you just have to make sure that your arm is free to move, so that there is no obstruction in the middle that will stop your lines. Here, very neat and clean, sharp lines can be formed. Now you can use these techniques to draw borders in projects, in various assignments for your kids, and students can use them for their own school projects or college assignments. See how I am making another inset borders. Once you do this in front of a person who is not actually familiar, you make them go wow. You will definitely enjoy doing it. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.